Let's make some ribs on the PVC. Okay, I've got my 2 racks of ribs here, and I've already pulled the membrane on both of them, and I'm patted them dry. Plenty of moisture to hold on the rub that I'm going to put on today, it's by Oak Ridge Barbecue, called Secret Weapon. It's a pork and chicken rub. I saw T-Roll use this on his channel, so I thought I'd give it a try. Got a good color, for sure. Alright, that'll do. Put some hooks in. It should work. Let's get them out on the cooker. Alright, the cooker's been going for about 15 minutes. So, I don't know what the temp is. Hickory. In the bottom. In the bottom. In the bottom. Just get a little bit of hickory wood. It's really close to the fire down there. I don't know how that's not going to burn. Let's go in 3 bones deep on this one. It's like touching the wood. Let's go in farther down. So same on this one. Alright, we'll let it cook for an hour and a half, 2 hours, and then we'll come back and check them. Oh yeah, I'm also got something else going here. Got a whole chicken. I just put it on a little while ago. We're gonna have buffalo chicken dip. It's only been about 30 or 45 minutes, but I gotta tell you what, it smells awesome already. I wanted to show you these tumbleweed things. I've seen people on YouTube use them before. I've never seen them before. I usually use the Weber lighter cubes, but it ran out. So I was at Walmart and they didn't have any left, and all they had was 1 box of these. So I went ahead and got them. They work pretty good. All right, it's been about an hour and a half, so I'm interested to see what they look like. Wow. They actually look pretty awesome. So you see that? Get the camera to turn up a little bit. There you go. I think it's got pretty good color. Looks great. I'm not really sure how much longer to cook them. I mean, I can check the internal temperature, I guess. This one looks pretty good too. I had debated wrapping them and cooking them like that way, but I'm not sure that I will. I wanted to try a little bit of oak. Get some oak flavor on those. So I'm gonna come back out in about an hour and check it again, I suppose. I don't know if this is necessary or not, but in my last video when I set this pit barrel cooker up, I mentioned that I wanted to get a big paver to put on the ground underneath it, kind of like I have on my Weber Smoky Mountain. Got a big paver stone just to give it more space between the cooker and the deck. I don't have one yet, so what I've been doing today is just, this is the second time I've done it, it's been close to 2 hours. I'm just taking some cold water and just putting it on the wood underneath, just to make sure that the wood on the deck doesn't dry out too much and want to catch fire. Because in the manual it says never place on top of a flammable surface like a deck or on the grass, even though it's got this about 3-inch stand. So that made me a little nervous, which is why I'm doing this. But maybe it's not necessary. You can tell me in the comments. Well, I didn't know it was going to rain today. It just came out of nowhere. I'm sure it's affecting the temperature in both the grills I'm cooking in. That one and that one. It's been about, I don't know, another hour since I last checked the pit barrel. So I'm going to let it stop raining a little bit and see what it does. And then go out and check it again. So what happened was this one ripped. And I don't know if you can see at the bottom, it's starting to rip apart. So I took it out. It was laying in the coals. I took it out and put 2 hooks in it, turned it upside down. It looks like the bottom is going to fall off. But I think what I'm going to do is take out both racks and put them on the cooking grate just to finish them off, because I'm nervous about that one tearing and falling down. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. See how it's about to tear.
What? She can jump through the fire.
Y'all, I went to see Emma last night. That's in the hospital.
There's the ribs. When I took them out, food thermometer was sitting right below 200. So I don't think they're as tender as I wanted them, but they're done.
What number is that?
So the barbecue sauce I'm using today is called Ogre sauce. I saw it online, had some good reviews. I tried it, it tastes pretty good. So I got it on the ribs, and I'm gonna be dipping my ribs into the sauce. So I'm gonna let this sit for a little while, and then it'll be ready to go. All right, let's cut a piece off and then see how it tastes. See that? Looks pretty good. Got a good color. Let's do a taste test. It's a lot of meat on that one bone. A string of slobber going to the bone. That's very good. That's for cleaning my slobber. It's very, very good. I had some issues today now with the rain, with the ribs breaking and falling into the coals. So next time I think I'm going to cook them about an hour and a half and then wrap them and cook them the rest of the way on the cooking grill. So I don't have to worry about them falling off into the coals. So that's my plan for next time. And these are baby back ribs, just to let you know. Alright, thanks for watching. Appreciate you stopping by. Hit the subscribe button. You can hear my babies in the background. I've got 4 kids. 2 of them are newborn infant girls, identical twins. So it's pretty crazy around here, but thanks for sticking around. See you next time. Ça c'est bon.